Having internet trouble with your AT&T router? The first step is understanding the difference between a restart, also called a reboot, and a factory reset. A restart is like a quick refresh. It clears the router's temporary memory without erasing your settings, fixing minor issues like intermittent connection drops. Think of it as a quick power cycle. A factory reset, on the other hand, restores your router to its original out-of-the-box state, wiping out custom settings like Wi-Fi passwords and any changes you've made. This is more drastic and should only be used for severe problems. Consider a restart for everyday hiccups and a factory reset as a last resort. Restarting your AT&T router is simple. Just unplug it from the power outlet for 30 to 60 seconds, then plug it back in. You can also use the AT&T Smart Home app or go to mywifi.com to remotely reboot your router. For a factory reset, locate the reset button on the back of your router. It's usually a small hole you'll need a paperclip to press. Hold the button down for 10 to 15 seconds until the lights on the router start flashing. Remember, this will erase all your custom settings, so be prepared to reconfigure your Wi-Fi and other preferences. As of late 2025, AT&T's Smart Home app has a quick fix tool to automate the restart and diagnostics.